It is possible to substitute leeks for onions in some recipes. If you are allergic to onions, then you could try different varieties: shallots, red onions, pearl onions and spring onions, as there are many varieties. The problem in substituting onions with leeks is the difference in the textures and the fact that leeks have a milder flavor. Onions and leeks are members of the allium family as is garlic, and both can be eaten raw in salads. They can be braised, boiled and served with sauces, but leeks cannot really replace onions in Mediterranean dishes. A bolognese sauce would not be the same with leeks as it is with onions, for example. You can substitute leeks for onions if you add garlic, and this would be a good idea if you were to make a creamy leek sauce to go with pasta. Somehow onions don't go well on their own with pasta, but leeks do. Italians tend not to use garlic and onions together, but leeks and garlic are a good combination. If you are British, then you will probably agree that a pickled onion cannot be replaced by anything else, and there are no recipes for pickled leeks that are as famous. The Welsh of course regard the leek, Chinhynnon Bdr or St. Peter's leek, as a traditional vegetable and have it in creamy soups. The French also have vichyssoise, a cold leek soup, and use leeks in abundance during winter. There's nothing quite like leeks baked in cheese sauce. The leek elsewhere is probably an underrated vegetable, but it has much the same health benefits as the onion, so substituting one for the other makes little difference in terms of health. Both vegetables can help prevent cancers, but leeks have the edge in health benefits as they are high in vitamin C, potassium and zinc, which have positive impacts on men's sexual health. The constituents of the leek also stimulate the immune system. Leeks contain traces of selenium, which is beneficial to women's health, especially when they are going through the menopause. The Roman Emperor Nero had a daily diet of leeks to improve his singing voice, and onions do not have the reputation for doing this. It should perhaps be noted here that Wales is called the land of song. Perhaps the Welsh voices owe their reputation to the leek. Both onions and leeks have their virtues, and while leeks can be a substitute for onions, it would be a sorry diet without the inclusion of the bulb, which can lower cholesterol levels, kill infections, bacteria and dissolve blood clots. If you don't like onions, then leeks make a good substitute, except in Mediterranean dishes which call for onions. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.